Have you ever wondered why you're here? 2011 is a spiritual wake-up call to the people of our planet to understand our real connection to nature. Who are you? Who are you really? Why are you here, especially at this energetic time of change? Our planet is placing an important lesson in front of you. You are a living, breathing, spiritual essence in physical incarnation. Go deep inside yourself to the inner voice of knowing to hear Spirit's words. You are not your belief systems. You are not your religion. You are not even your culture. If you are none of these, then who are you? Now go a little bit deeper and ask, what is our relationship with our planet? Is our planet a place for our physical vessels to use as we experience life lessons? Or is our planet a spiritual, energetic form, similar to ourselves? Now ask why our planet is changing. Why in your lifetime is our planet changing its energetic vibrational frequency? Right now, you are witnessing extreme weather events, natural disasters, and the polar magnetic frequency is shifting. Why? Our energetic vibration of fear is manifesting itself physically. The drive to overuse our planet's resources leaves us vulnerable to the separation of self. We cannot understand our real connection to our planet, nor can we see the oneness of all our planet's elements and nature. Our planet is a living, breathing, spiritual essence.